quality, we can simply double the size. This is 5.9, I can make it 11, 24. So now this image is basically having a high quality of the pixels. As you can see, the pixels are
सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट जो किसी रिसर्च आर्टिकल का होगा वो उसकी रिजल्ट्स की फिगर होती है जो आप प्रेजेंट करते हैं। इसी तरह से थीसिस में आपकी बाकी जितनी प्रेजेंटेशंस होती हैं वहाँ पर जो पिक्टोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन होती है जब वो अच्छी नहीं होती तो आपका पेपर, आपका असाइनमेंट वो रिजेक्ट हो जाती है, उसमें वो आपको आउटपुट नहीं मिलता एज़ कम्पेयर टू उस वाली प्रेजेंटेशन में जहां आपने एक अच्छे तरीके से प्रोफेशनल तरीके से ये चीज़ बनाई हो। आज हम इस वीडियो में यही बात करने जा रहे हैं कि किस तरह से आप इजी से मेथड के थ्रू पावर पॉइंट को यूज़ करते हुए एक अच्छी फिगर खुद से जनरेट कर सकते हैं और इसी तरह से मल्टीपल जो इमेजेस हैं उनको कंबाइन करके, टेक्स्ट को कंबाइन करके एक अच्छी इफ़ेक्टिव फिगर बना सकते हैं। और एक और चीज़, बगैर उसके पिक्सल्स डिस्टर्ब किए, बगैर उसकी इंटेग्रिटी को डिस्टर्ब किए, बल्कि ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगी इंशाल्लाह। तो पूरी वीडियो देखें और अगर कोई चीज़ मिसिंग है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा।
if you want to make a high resolution image for your publications, for your research papers, theses, or posters, what you can do is you make a new slide, for instance, a blank slide. And if you want to put some designs on that, let's say this one, or even just keep it simple. I would recommend keep it simple. And then you insert some of the shapes or smart art. For example, if you want to um, show a process, right? And you want to add this, for example, step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you can change your desired colors from these schemes using this PowerPoint setup. And for instance, you want to add something more. For example, you want to make a star over here and a star at this stage, right? Now you want to save it as an image, right? What can you do? So once you finalize it, select all like this and right click group. Now simply copy this and make another slide. And for this slide, do not paste it like simple. No, paste special. You can see that. Go there. And you can paste enhanced meta file, picture enhanced meta file. Okay. So this is your image. The important thing from now is that what is the size of this image? So this is just 5 inches in height and 9 inches over there. So to make a high resolution image, we need to have a bigger size of the image. So the pixels do not, get compromised. So to enhance picture quality, we can simply double the size. This is 5.9, I can make it 11 or 12, right? You can see the image is increased, size is increased. Even we can make it double, 24. So now this image is basically having a high quality of the pixels. As you can see, the pixels are intact, right? Last step is to copy this and open simple paint. If you can see this, and paste it like this. Okay, so once you paste this image, now you can simply save wherever you want, but save it in the form of TIFF, sample image, with high resolution. Okay, so save. I have saved it on the desktop. Let's go to the desktop. If I open this, now you can witness that if you zoom in, you see pixels are fine. So this is a good quality image in front of you. Now you can use this, like for example, copy. I want to paste this image over here. I simply paste it, and I have this high quality image on my document eventually. I can crop this, I can make it, whatever I want to do with it. For example, I will go to the format and crop. So whether the size is small or not, the image quality is best, for your publication. So if I zoom in, you see, it's still intact. So this is the requirement for many of the journals. Good journals require this kind of image, because sometimes people try to manipulate the data, or they try to hide something. So reviewers have a very good chance to look into the details of the image, that it is not fabricated, right? It is original and it is of good quality. I hope this is easy, and you will inshallah follow the instructions, and will make images according to this scheme.